Okay, so we got Boston Tea Party. This is the facts for a reason. My project. By the way, you want to put so this is by who's it by? Right here. Boston Tea Party ship. La la la. Cause I got my thing right here. My beautiful drawings. beautiful drawings. Okay. I would show you, but I have can, but I don't want to show my face. My ugly face. I don't want to show it. I don't want to. Okay, I wouldn't say ugly face, but yeah, I still don't want to show my face. So. Hypocrite! Getaway car, you were stuck in a hotel bar. Sorry, I'm listening to music. Boston Tea Party, we have cross on the front, and then like cattail version of Frisk on the side. I don't know, I was drawing random people, and accidentally got my black marker in kind of a shape of an X. Like, I only had like one part of an X, so I'm like, them to just color the rest. So yeah. The next one we have Fell throwing tea off of a boat. You just literally see Fells and we're like throwing tea off of the boat. You see water and tea things in the boat. I mean in the water. Then we have Sans being the king. Really bad king, by the way. We have Cross is somehow now the British. And Fell's getting arrested. This adorable face. Oh my god, his face. Sorry. Okay, and then in the water you see two things of tea. One's sinking, other one's kind of sinking. It's not fully colored, but I don't care. Then we have Watermelon Sans and Pappy. On one side, Pappy saying, well, Swap Papyrus is yelling, I'm throwing a snowball! The other one is, I'm making a war! And we have one where they should have just walked to the king herself and asked, just, can we talk? And she's over here duct taping, oh no. She's duct taping Fell's mouth closed. And he says that, nope, your text and people can go into your house. This derpy face. Just she pauses. What? I don't know who it is. I think it's Circus Sans, but yeah. So, enough of me talking. Let's get into this. Just gonna. Yeah. So, you guys can. You can't see it fully, but you could like pause it right now. Then play it now. So, yeah. Last one down was an Englishman. Oh wow, I'm doing Boston TV. Boston TV, yeah. The Boston Tea Party and Englishmen. Na 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 na. And right. And a deadweight car, you were stuck in a hotel bar. I can't sing well right now. It's kind of. So if someone walks in, by the way, my dad. Where's my pencil? Man, till they hit the floor, begging for more. My pencil disappeared. Where's my pencil? So I'm gonna write this, and yeah, the next one is on my thing. Once Anywho, so I searched for USA, but I didn't get it. But the effect of Boston Tea Party, how the Boston Tea Party effects instead of effects, and that's what I want. It's not what I wanted. The cause and effects of Boston Tea Party. God dang, that's all I needed on the last one. Sent us down. We can play the playing around. Running up to say, proud of what we made. Yeah, Boston. Oh, it's right there. Oh my god. Let's go with that. I don't want the cause and effects. Most people extensively held the Boston Tea Party because they did not want to pay the tea tax, so they were in fact the tax. Continue reading. So this is why it happened. This is the cause. Anywho, so I'm gonna write this down, put down my name, and yeah. Okay, I found another one. This one is for ushistory.com. That's what I looked for, but the revolution of the Boston Tea Party. What is going on? Why is the dogs on here? Why did this random ad pop up? No. I don't want to. Leave me alone, that thing down here also. Anyhow. So yeah. I'm probably gonna write that much. 30. Ships. Anywho, yeah. Here we go. And gonna write it down. Then, and you guys can pause it right here. But first, I'm gonna be talking a little bit. I'm like literally on my last thing, my last page through all of them. So we have that one, because it's really just 3 pages. Yeah, you have to do 1, 2, 3, 4 drawings for 3 pages. The cover, and then each page. So, I need to write US history on here. Click again. Okay, so it's not US history. I forget, I'm sorry. Well, I'm just gonna write this because I'm for some reason slow at writing, but yeah. Okay guys, so I'm finally finished. Throw it out the computer screen. And now I'm not gonna have to spend inside recess. I'm just gonna go Roblox. And going to end this video right here. Oh hey, my friend's on it. What? When did I play this? I don't like anime. Well, bye guys.